Hello friends, today we are going to talk about Gephi. So if you want to learn Gephi, the best way is to install the Gephi. Gephi is an open source software. It's a data visualization and exploration software. It's primarily used for visualizing different networks, and you need Java 1.7 and above to install the Gephi. So ensure that you have got Java 1.7 before you install Gephi. Once you have installed Gephi, import wordborder.gexif file. I will give you the link later on. I think I have sent that file on mail to all of you. So go to this new project, say open file, and my file is on desktop, so I will say desktop, and here it is, gexif file, right? It is got this icon, an icon in italics, and you say open. So it says that the graph is undirected and the number of edges are 158, number of edges are 318, number of nodes are 158, and you say okay. Now it's getting loaded. So this is the data table. This is how the data looks. These are the IDs. This is the label of each ID, and this is the total border. So this file is about a word where each node is a country and each edge denotes the relationship between the neighbors. So we'll see how exactly it looks in the graph. So you click here at overview, and so if you don't get anything here, you can go to the windows and say reset windows, but definitely will get here, but some people may not get it. So say windows and say reset windows, and you will get it. Reset windows and you will get it. Okay, now this is not actually visible, so what we will do is we will do some analysis on it. First of all, what we will do is we will zoom it. So this is this button. So let's see the different panels. So this is the context panel, which gives us what are the number of nodes, what are the number of edges, whether it's a directed graph or an undirected graph. Then there is the pane, which is filter, where you have got different filters by attributes, dynamics, edges, and operators. We'll talk about it later. And here you can run different statistics at the network level, the node level, at the edge level. This graph is not a dynamic graph. That means it doesn't have time related data, so we won't run these. So we'll be mainly concerned with the network data, node, and the edge overview. So let's see how to zoom it. If you want to make it more zoom, so you can click here and say zoom, and here, so it looks like a necklace, right? So zoom. But how will I see the country names? So if you want to see the country's name, here is the button, this one. This is the button. So you click here. So this is not legible. This you cannot read this, right? So you need to resize it. So what you do is you click here. You click here and say node size. So it scales according to the size of the node. Let's see now. Is it legible? Can we read it? Yeah, to some extent, yes. We can read the graph now by zooming it. Now, what kind of analysis can you do if I give you this kind of data in the form of Excel? What is the total border, right? Which country has got the maximum border? Which country has the minimum border? Which country has border in a specified ranges? That's it, right? Not much of analysis what can be done. But the beauty of network analysis, it helps you ask intelligent questions. It won't give you all the answers, but yes, it gives you a pictorial view of the data. Right now you know which country has got how many neighbors. You can find which country has maximum number of neighbors. You can find from which country you can reach to any other countries in the shortest path. You can find out if you are going for a route all around the world, or you're going for a world tour, which is a country you will visit the most. So these are the questions that you can answer. So let's actually increase So let's first of all go to this. So these are the different metrics. So what is this average degree? What does this average degree means? So